बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होप यू आर ऑल वेल एंड गुड। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम ईडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस करेंगे जो हमारी लैंग्वेज में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होते हैं। तो इसका अगर फ़र्स्ट पार्ट आपने नहीं देखा है जिसमें हमने मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 50 ईडियम्स किए थे, तो उसका जो है मैं लिंक अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दूँगी, आप वहाँ से जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। तो आज जो है हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट ईडियम्स एंड फ्रेजेस करेंगे। 100 हैं इस वीडियो में, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। नंबर 1 है टू क्राई ओवर स्पिल्ड मिल्क, वक्त गुजारने के बाद पछताना। इट इज़ नो यूज़ क्राइंग ओवर स्पिल्ड मिल्क। नंबर 2 है टू कट अ सॉरी फिगर, शर्मिंदगी उठाना। ही कट अ सॉरी फिगर एज अ स्पीकर। टू कट डाउन, मुख्तसर करना। आई कट डाउन माई प्रोग्राम। टू डील इन, व्यापार करना। मिस्टर अल्ताफ़ डील्स इन कंप्यूटर्स। टू डील विद, बर्ताव करना। वन मस्ट डील विद अदर पोलाइटली। टू डिपेंड ऑन, इन्हिसार करना। आई कैन डिपेंड ऑन हिज गाइडेंस। टू डाई इन हार्नेस, मुशक्क़त की ज़िंदगी ड्यूटी देते हुए मर जाना। ही डैड इन हार्नेस वाइल क्वाइट यंग। टू डिफ़र फ्रॉम, मुख्तलिफ होना। इंग्लिश डिफ़र फ्रॉम फ्रेंच। टू डिफ़र विद, इख्तिलाफ़ करना। आई डिफ़र विद यू ऑन दिस पॉइंट। टू डू अवे विद, ख़त्म करना। वी शुड डू अवे विद द डॉरी सिस्टम। टू डू विद, ताल्लुक़ रखना। आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद हिम। टू फॉल बैक अपॉन, इन्हिसार करना। He falls back upon his brother's property. To fall flat, असर ना करना। My advice fell flat on him. To fall to the ground, नाकाम हो जाना। As he failed in the exams, all his plans fell on the ground. To fall off, कम हो जाना। Attendance at school assembly fell off yesterday. To fall on, upon, अचानक हमला करना। We fell on the enemy soldiers and killed most of them. To get at, समझना। Try to get at the truth. To get away with, रफू चक्कर हो जाना। The thief got away with the suitcase. To get down, उतरना। He got down from the bus. To get rid of, निजात हासिल करना। I know how to get rid of my worries. To get over, गालिब आ जाना। He got over his difficulties. To get through, कामयाब होना। Malik has got through his exams. To give away, तक़सीम करना। The president gave away the prizes. To give ear to, कान धरना। You should not give ear to his foolish talk. To give in, हार मानना। The rebels were forced to give in. To give up, तर्क करना। Try to give up smoking. To go down, गिर जाना। The prices of shares have gone down these days. To go back upon, वादे से फिर जाना। He is not the sort of man who would go back upon his own words. To go hand in hand, साथ साथ होना। Health and beauty go hand in hand. To go in for, हक में होना। I cannot go in for his proposal. To go into, बगौर मुताल्ला करना। We got into this matter. To go through, सही जायज़ा लेना। I have gone through this book twice. To hold good, सही साबित होना। Your arguments do not hold good. To hold out, साबित कदम रहना। I will hold out against these determined attacks. To hold up, ताख़ीर कराना। We have been held up by a policeman. To keep back, छुपाना। Do not keep back anything from me. To keep off, अलग रहना, दूर रहना। Please keep off grass. To keep up, बरकरार रखना। I hope that he will keep up the reputation of this family. To keep pace with, साथ देना। If you want to live honorable, you should keep pace with time. To keep body and soul together, ज़िंदा रहना। We should eat as much as would keep our body and soul together. To keep in the dark, बेखबर रहना। He kept his father in the dark about his failure in the examination. to lay down, कुर्बान कर देना. Our soldiers laid down their lives for the country. To let down, जलील करना. Do not let down others. To let off, रिहा हो जाना, रिहा कर देना. The thief was let off by the judge. To look after, देखभाल करना. Who will look after the children while their mother is in hospital? To look down on upon, हकीर समझना. We should not look down upon the poor. To look for, तलाश करना. I am looking for a job. To look into, तहकीकात करना. Please look into this matter carefully. To look up, तलाश करना. Look up this word in the dictionary. To look up to, एहतराम करना. They all look up to him as their leader. To mind one's own business, अपने काम से काम रखना. At last I asked him to mind his own business and not to quarrel with me. To make away with, मार डालना. He made away with himself. To make the best, फ़ायदा उठाना. You should make the best of this valuable opportunity. To make out, समझना. I read his letter twice but I could not make out anything. To make up, सुलह करना. I am always ready to make up with my friend. To make up, तलाफ़ी करना. You should make up for the loss of your friend. To make up one's mind, अपना जहन बनाना. मुसम्मम इरादा करना. I have made up my mind to learn English. To make room for, जगह देना. Please make room for this old man. To nip the evil in the bud, बुराई को ख़त्म करना. We must nip the evil in the bud. To pass away, मर जाना. The old man passed away yesterday. To pass off, ख़त्म हो जाना. The meeting of the strikers passed off quietly. To poison the ears, बज़्ज़न करना, कान भरना. I do not know who has poisoned the ears of my officer against me. To put by, बचा कर रखना. We should put by some money for our old age. To put down, दबा देना. Akbar the king put down the rebellion very soon. To put off, मुलतवी करना. The meeting has been put off till tomorrow. To put out, बुझाना. The fire was put out by the fire brigade. To put up, बर्दाश्त करना. I cannot put up with my friend's insult. To pull one's leg, सख्त मुखालफत करना. Zishan is making a very good progress in his studies, but some of his friends are pulling his leg. To run after, पीछा करना. The police ran after the thief. To run down, कमज़ोर हो जाना. He looks much run down after his illness. To run out, ख़त्म होना. Time is running out. To run over, कुचला जाना. A child was run over by a bus. To run short, कमी हो जाना. Our supplies are running short. To see off, अलविदा कहना. I went to the railway station to see off Mr. Taj. To see through, तार जाना. At last I saw through his trick. To set about, शुरू करना. I do not know how to set about his job. To set aside, रद्द कर देना. The judge set aside the decision of the lower court. To set in, शुरू हो जाना. The rainy season has set in. To set off, रवाना होना. Allah bus set off for Lahore yesterday. To set out, रवाना होना. Mr. Gular has set out on a journey. To set up, शुरू करना, कायम करना. He has set up a small shop. To stand by, साथ देना. Mr. Hamid stood by me in the difficulty. To take care of, एहतियात करना. You must take care of your health. To take after, मुशाबे होना. She takes after her mother. To take down, तहरीर करना. He took down the speech in shorthand. To take in, समझना. I need more time to take in this situation. To take off, उतारना. I took off my coat. To take over, ओहदा संभालना. The new headmaster took over yesterday. to take place, वाक़े होना. A dangerous accident took place on M.A. Jinnah Road yesterday. To take to, आदी होना. He has taken to drinking. To take to task, बास पर्स करना. The teacher took him to task for neglecting his duty. To take to one's heels, दुम दबाकर भागना. When the Indian riders saw our troops, they took to their heels. To take back, वापस लेना. I take back what I said. To take up, उठाना. I shall take up this matter with the Education Ministry. To turn down, मुस्तरद करना. She turned down my proposal. Turn out, निकालना, निकाल देना. He was turned out of the job. Turn up, हाजिर होना. He failed to turn up in time. To turn the tables, हालात का रुख बदलना. Heroes of the nations turn the tables. To work out, हल करना. I cannot work out these problems in algebra. To back out of, फिर जाना. He backed out of his promise. तो यहाँ हमारे पास हमारे जो 100 idioms थे वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. इंशाल्लाह पार्ट 3 में हम